A sequence is a pattern, and a typical harmonic sequence is a pattern of two chords that is transposed systematically up or down. Owing to their unstable nature, sequences are typically, though not always, found toward the middle of themes, and are labeled according to the pattern of their constituent chordal roots. That is to say, the bass voice in and of itself is irrelevant to the labeling of sequences. As a general rule, when naming sequences, always make note of the chordal roots. The three most common sequences in the classical style are the circle of fifths, the Romanesca, and the 5/6 sequence. In a circle of fifths sequence, the chordal roots move in the following pattern: up a fourth, down a fifth. This is the most common sequence in all of classical music. Remember that sequences are calculated according to chordal roots, not the bass voice, and so despite the differences in chordal inversion, both of these progressions are circle of fifths sequences. In a Romanesca, also called a sequence by descending thirds, the chordal roots usually move in the following pattern: down a fourth, up a second. This is sometimes affectionately referred to as the Pachelbel sequence, because it's used in Pachelbel's famous Canon in D. It also serves as the basis of a huge number of pop songs. In a 5/6 sequence, the chordal roots move in the following pattern: down a third, up a fourth. Unlike the circle of fifths and Romanesca, this sequence gives the impression that we're ascending in musical space. As always, chordal inversion plays no role in the naming of sequences. Only chordal roots must be observed.